Hey guys, what's going on? It's Bluoosted here. So, of course, everybody knows I've been having the issues with my rear end. So, what I'm doing now is doing a little bit of testing at the track, trying to figure out, what all the nannies is, just little stuff that's maybe wiring issues, something like that, trying to figure it out. Been back and forth with my tuner, everything. I think we got it all figured out. So I went to the track and tested out a little bit. Still doing the still like kind of peg legging a little bit. It's like one wheel spinning and the other one only spin on the rolling burnout, and then it'll catch and start spinning real good so I can do my burnouts. So the issue is, if I can't do my full burnout, my car ain't gonna hook. So I probably did like maybe 2 or 3 burnouts, and I actually got the car to hook pretty good, and it maybe spent maybe just a little bit. So that first one was 2 burnouts. Then the second one I was able to get a good rolling burnout, and then I let one of my buddies make a pass in it, and he actually hooked, but he was leaving at 1800 on foot brake, and of course I was leaving on 2-step at 2800. So I mean, I got some videos I'm gonna get ready to post up. Y'all just take a look, comment, and if you got any questions, just let me know, ask me. That's about it for right now, but I think I'm looking at getting a new rear end. Probably soon we'll be going with a 9-inch. And I'm gonna turn the baby up. I'm still turned down right now. Still turned down. I haven't turned it up yet. But trust me, when I turn it up, you guys are gonna know.